Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to change Facebook page category. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, double click on menu option and choose your Facebook page. Okay, tap on profile icon, click on pencil option, scroll down, then tap on details option and click on edit. Tap on this option. Okay, click on digital creator and save. Just wait few seconds and continue and save to change Facebook page category. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.